Dear students, today we will start 1.2 exercise, and this is very easy. You all are familiar about HCF and LCM. Question number 1, express each number as prime as a product of prime factors. So in this we will express them as prime factors. That means we are going to do prime factorization. Like first part 140 is there. So as 0 is at ones place, we can divide it by 2. It is an even number. 1 for 1, as 1 is not divided by 2, smaller than 2, will take 0. Then combine with the next digit 14, 2 sevens are 14, and 0 will be carry forward. And as you know, the first 0 does not have any value, so we can remove it. Now 70. So again it is an even number, we will divide it by 2, or we can divide it by 5 also. So 2 3s are 6, balance is 1, 10, 5s are 10. Now 5 is at ones place, it is divisible by 5, 5, 7s are 7, 1s are. So these are the prime factors of 140, that is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So this is what you have to do in your first question. Similarly, one more part I am solving in front of you. Do remaining parts yourself. 5 is at ones place, it is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, carry forward 0, carry forward 0, 5 ones are 5. Now it is not divisible by 2 because it is not even number, not by 3 because the sum of the digits, that is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 2. That is not the multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3, not by 4, not by 5. Now it is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, balance is 3. We have combined 1 and 0. 1 is not divisible, we'll combine it by 0, it will become 10. 7 ones are 7, balance is 3, 30. 4s are 28, balance is 2, 21. So it will be 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Now you can check by which number it is divisible. So now it is divisible by 11. So 1 is not divisible by 11 as it is smaller. We'll combine it by 4, 14. 11 ones are 11, balance is 3, 33. 3s are 33. So now 13 is prime, so 13 ones are 13. So prime factors of 5005 are 5, 7 into 11 into 13. So in the same way, dear students, solve remaining parts of this question yourself. Now question number 2, find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify this relationship, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. And this is the formula. Write this formula in the form of cloud. So here we go. So dear students, first part is 26 into 91. Let me tell you, dear students, this formula for verification is meant for only two numbers. Remember this. This formula is meant for only two numbers. You can't verify the LCM and HCF of three numbers using this formula. So remember, we can apply this formula to verify only in case of two numbers, right? So let us solve LCM and HCF and then we will verify it. So let us first find out the LCM. LCM means least common multiple and HCF means highest common factor. LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple, right? And HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor, right? So let us solve to get LCM and HCF. So 26 is the number, it is even, so let us divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3. 13 is prime, so it is divisible by only 13. So these are the prime factors of 26. And 91, so it is divisible by 13. 13 7s are 91, 7 ones are 7. So these are the prime factors of 91. So dear students, let us solve for LCM. Let us write down all the factors of the two numbers in front of them like this, and into 1 also, 1 is always there. So 91 in case of 91, 7 into 13 into 1, these are the factors. So for the LCM, least common multiple, first of all let me tell you the HCF. Dear students, for HCF, which is the common factor, as the name suggests, highest common factor, which is common, 13 is common, as well as 13 is common, as well as 1 is always there. So HCF is 13. HCF is 13, right? 13 into 1 we can write, that means 13. Now LCM, least common multiple. Multiple means the common factor into the remaining factors which are not common. कॉमन फैक्टर तो ले ही लेंगे और जो अनकॉमन है वो भी लेंगे, लाइक 2 into 7 and 1 is always there. So like this. So 13 twos are 26, 26 into 7. So we'll get it and we'll write the answer. So it will be 182. So in this way you will get HCF and LCM, right? Now the point is verification. Now it is asked to you in the question to verify it, right? How to do verification? So we'll use this formula, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So least common multiple now we have is 182 and HCF is 13. So we have both the things. So let us solve them and get the answer. Let us put them in the formula. First write the formula. LCM is 182 into HCF is 13. This is our left hand side and right hand side is product of two numbers. Which two numbers? 26 into 91. So dear students, this is your right hand side, 26 into 91. So if you'll multiply them, you'll get 2366, and if you'll multiply right hand side, you'll get again 2366. If you'll get left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means your calculation is absolutely correct. So I hope the question number 2 is clear to you. Do this question remaining parts yourself. First of all, two numbers are given to you. Find out their prime factors by using prime factorization. Now write their prime factors. Now to get highest common factor, as the name suggests, common factor, which is common, 13 and 1. So this is your HCF. And for LCM, common factors as well as uncommon. So that will give you the LCM. Or you can solve LCM in this way also, as you have studied in your junior classes like this, right? So in this way, and to verify, here is the formula to verify LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So in this way you will get LHS, that is HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers in this way. So, and the other form of this question can be asked to you in the exam, like they will give you LCM and the two numbers, you have to find out the HCF by using formula. So you can solve that question using the same formula.